Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send an Interac e-transfer using the RBC Bank. Start by opening the RBC Mobile app on your phone and sign into your account using your online banking information. After logging in, you will arrive on the main dashboard of the app. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the navigation bar. Tap on Move Money. Once you tap it, a new menu will open with several different banking options. In this menu, you may see options such as transferring money between accounts, paying bills, sending wire payments, and Interac e-transfer services. From these options, tap Send an Interac e-transfer to continue. On the next screen, you need to select the bank account the money will come from. Tap the arrow beside Select Account. A list of your available checking and savings accounts will appear. Choose the account you want to use for the transfer. Next, tap Amount. The numeric keypad will open on your screen. Type the amount of money you want to send, then tap Done. Now tap Select Recipient. If the person is already saved in your contacts list, simply tap their name. If you are sending money to someone new, tap Add and enter their full name along with their email address or mobile phone number. If auto deposit is not enabled for the recipient, you will need to create a security question and answer that only the recipient will know. Finally, review the details and tap Send to complete the transfer. Thanks for watching.